Welcome to Learnix Tree Center. Are you ready to change your career? Are you thinking about non-IT to IT transition? Become a software tester, QA analyst in a short 3.5-month period. Software testing and QA offers the easiest entryway into IT with great compensations. Our state-certified course is uniquely designed for people with no prior experience. Also, it won't be disruptive to your life. It's 100% remote, and we study twice per week in the evening, from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. According to Forbes magazine, the #1 happiest job in America is a software tester, quality assurance engineer. What do software testers do? Simply put, they are the first-time users of the products designed by their colleagues. Their job is to identify defects or problems with the newly created software or a website, and report those issues. That's it. They are not responsible for fixing the defects. We provide each student with intensive academic training and practical hands-on training. Our instructors bring real-life projects for students to execute in class. Also, an optional internship gives them an opportunity to simulate a real office environment. We provide interview training techniques and resume writing, facilitate resume marketing on professional social media and job boards. We refer our students to corporate partners for multiple available job opportunities. Transform your life. Join our course today.